I call this one Princess because she's pretty needy. But it's been raining, so the crawler course is a bit wet. I did clean out all the cans and stuff over here, and then I was doing a little bit of a fire. You can see some of the stuff didn't burn properly. And there's that's been dug out of it, so you know, still some more cleanup to do over here. I was trying to use some grass killer, but I don't know, it wasn't really working too well. You can kind of see where it was sprayed, but it didn't truly kill it. Maybe it takes longer for it all to die. Some of it killed a little better than others, so we'll probably just have to respray it to kind of get this course more cut out in those areas. Yeah, see, like that's all dead. We'll still have to do a bit of stuff, you know, clearing out to make it all really nice. We'll just kind of rake it all through and have a really nice course, but everything's super muddy right now. I put my 4.19 Baja claws with anti-foams inside the Gladiator. Make her a little more, you know, bigger tires. See how I like it before I buy like some different 4.19s. Either for this or we'll buy some new ones for the Disco. One of the two. Oh yeah, there we go. She got up at there. Oh yeah, big old holes here. Wow. She just wants attention. She just wants all the attention. Hi, girl. Hi, hi. Hi. She's one of the cute ass strays. Yes, she is. Meow. Okay. Let's do a little crawling over here. Now this definitely needs to be reset up, but maybe we'll still still be able to crawl up it. Oh, she just not. You done dug it out the ground. I can't blame her too much. It's real wet over here. Oh, move out the way, girl. There we go. Now you can rub on that all you want. There you go. She's like, good. And we kind of went off course a little bit there. There we go. Back her up. Get her drug over. You're such a cute cat. Alright. Let's get a better view of this bridge. Alright, here we go. That's going to be fun. It's actually a puddle there. Oh, and this bridge is definitely very wet. Very, very wet. Whoop, there we go. Got her all popped up here. Meow. Yeah, watch out, girl. I love my anti-foams. They really do perform nicely. I'll definitely have to buy another set. They're a little expensive, but we'll definitely buy another set. Alright, let's come in for the drop down here. Off of this. You can tell this has changed because I've been burning a few more of it. Eventually this won't really be much of an area to use. There we go. So we'll actually have to figure something else out as a bridge end, but we'll figure something out when it comes down to it, and we'll make it real nice. Oh yeah, there she goes. I actually know I kind of got to fix that, but it's all good. we'll come and we'll just drive around our pit. Actually, you know what? We can just drive through the fire pit. It ain't gonna be too bad. It ain't gonna be no problem here. You're so cute. Alright. Come around over here. Hi, girl. I definitely got to move this bucket and dump the water out of it. You hear that sloshing around in there. Hi, girl. Hi, hi. You're blocking the shot. We got the cat shot. She said, so? You're so cute. She's rubbing all up on me. Come on, girl. There you go. Crawl on through here. Yeah, over there got nice and dead on them weeds. Hey, girl. You can tell it's all nice and cleared out. Meow. Oh yeah. Coming on back through. Yeah, I definitely like the way the 4.19s handle a little better. So we'll probably look for I kind of still like the 1.5 rim look though, so I want some like really tall tires for this. So I'll see what I can find for 1.55s. If you guys know of any good 1.55s that are around 4.19 inches, let me know. Oh, we gotta get another angle on that. Oh my. This is why I love the straight axle conversion on the Gladiator. It makes it just, I feel like it's way more capable than it used to be. For sure. Okay. So come back up here on this. Alright, look at all that. Look at that angle, man. I just love it. Ooh, we might have done it a little too much here. Hold on. There we go. Alright, we came in a little higher than we actually did the first time. So let's come in right up there-ish. Or not. We got it right the first time, and then coming in for better angles not working out too well, huh? Alright, let's do it this way. Alright, come all the way back from over there. Oh, she's so cute. Wow. Alright. Coming in on this angle here. Right to here. And we're going to turn up here. Yeah, that's better. That's going to be a lot better than we just were, I think. We'll come over just a slight bit more. There we go. We're on some extreme angle here, but ooh, just a little straighter. There we go. Landed her down. I still didn't get get it the same way I did the first time. Maybe I was actually higher up the first time and I didn't realize it. Maybe we'll try right here. Oh yeah, because we still get... Nah, that wasn't quite right, huh? Oh well, anyway. I guess it doesn't really matter. At any rate, this thing is just amazing at side climbs. I mean, hi Morale. Hi girl. Cattail. Yeah, there we go. Got an extra up close shot for you guys. Anyways, hope y'all enjoyed, and we'll see you guys later.